Hello, welcome to our mathematics class. My name is Mr. Dickson. Okay, in today's class, we want to look at exponential equation. We just finished exponential function. In exponential equation, we are looking at this question. Solve 5 raised power of 2x minus 26 into 5 raised power of x plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, solution now. I just repeat the question. Now, in exponential function, what we are targeting is trying to manipulate the first term to look like the middle term. As you can see, in the middle term here we have 5 raised power of x, and of course here we have 5 raised power of 2x. So okay, we can proceed this equation to be 5 raised power of x into 2 minus 26 into 5 raised power of x plus 25 is equal to 0. Alright, now after this step, since here and here are the same, so we can now say let any variable, maybe I can say y is equal to 5 raised power of x. So if I say y is equal to raised power of x, okay, I can quickly substitute y in place of 5 raised power of x in the original equation. So at this point, we end up having y squared minus 26y then plus 25 is equal to 0. So what do you observe? You observe this becomes a quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, we are targeting finding the values of y. So how do we do that? Now look at this 25, factorize 25 such that you come up with the two factors that if you multiply, you're going to end up having 25. If you add or subtract, you have minus 26y. So that will now be, for 25 is going to be minus 1 and minus 25. If I say minus 1 times minus 25, I will have 25. If I say minus 1 minus 25, I will have minus 26. So that means our y will be y minus 1 into y minus 25 is equal to 0. So if y minus 1 is equal to 0, it means that y is equal to 1. So also, if y minus 25 is equal to 0, it means that y is equal to 25. Okay, now, but the original equation, in the original equation, they did not ask us to look for the value of y. The main thing is that we're looking for the value of x. So how do you obtain the values of x? So we obtain the values of x, okay, by recalling, you recall the fact that y is equal to 5 raised power of x. So at this point, I'm going to use this value to substitute y. So for the first one, when y is equal to 1, I'll put y1 is equal to 5 raised power of x. Of course, this is 1. This one now will turn into base and index form. So the only base and index form based on 1 will be 5 raised to the power of 0, which is the same thing as this. And take note, anything raised to the power of 0, any variable raised to the power of 0, provided that that variable is not equal to 0, is always equal to 1. So now, here we can say that x is equal to 0. Why? Because the bases are the same. Okay, also, I can as well say, since y is 25, 25 is equal to 5 raised to the power of x. Alright? So now, this 25 will turn to base and index form, which that will now be 5 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 5 raised to the power of x. Bases are the same, so we can now equate the power, which x is equal to 2. So our target is to look for the value of x. So we have obtained that either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Stay tuned until I come your way again.